Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then click on Clean section at the bottom left corner. Tap on Clean under Junk Files. And lastly, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!